Ever been in a situation where you need to make a quick payment, but your usual methods just aren't cutting it? Maybe your bank card is acting up, or maybe you're in a country where your primary card is just not accepted. Frustrating, right? Well, today we're diving deep into a question that's been on the minds of many. Does Airwallex actually have a card? Airwallex, for those unfamiliar, is a global financial technology company. They're known for their innovative solutions for businesses, helping them move money across borders with ease. But does this focus on business translate into a convenient card for everyday use? Let's find out. Airwallex primarily focuses on business needs. They offer a suite of financial products designed to streamline international transactions for companies. This includes things like global accounts, hold and manage money in multiple currencies. Cross-border payments, send and receive money internationally at competitive rates. Virtual cards, for online and in-app purchases. API integrations, seamlessly integrate financial operations into your business systems. Now, while the core of their business revolves around these services, Airwallex does indeed offer a physical card. This card is primarily designed for business use, allowing companies to make purchases globally, easily spend in various currencies with competitive exchange rates, withdraw cash, access local currency when traveling internationally, manage expenses, track and categorize business spending with ease, earn rewards. Some cards may offer rewards programs for businesses. The Airwallex card is typically linked to a business account, enabling seamless tracking and reconciliation of expenses. It's designed to be a convenient and efficient tool for businesses operating internationally, simplifying their financial operations and reducing the hassle associated with traditional banking methods. So, to answer the burning question, yes, Airwallex does have a card. While primarily focused on business needs, it offers valuable features for companies operating globally. From making international purchases to managing expenses, the Airwallex card can streamline financial operations and provide a more efficient way to handle business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.